We created this video to help applicants like yourself have a better understanding what it is that we're looking for during fitness tests. So from here, we're going to demonstrate proper ways to perform each event, let you know what counts and what does not count, and then we're going to go over some common mistakes. Our goal is to make sure everyone has a clear understanding of the standards before arriving on test day. Let's start with the push-up event. So here are your push-up instructions. The push-up event measures upper body strength and endurance. Before beginning, position yourself in the proper starting position with your hands placed comfortably on the ground and your body in a straight line. The up position is defined as a full extension of the arms at the top of the movement. The down position requires your sternum to make contact with the sponge placed beneath you. To receive credit for repetition, you must start from a full arm extension at the top. Lower your body until your sternum touches the sponge. Return to a full arm extension at the top. If you need to rest during the event, you may do so only in the up position. While resting, you may shake out your arms or adjust your hand placement as needed. The following will result in a no repetition: failing to achieve full arm extension at the top, failing to touch the sponge with your sternum, excessive sagging of the hips. Once your knees touch the ground, the event is now terminated. Remember, every repetition must meet the standard to be counted. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the entire event. Here are your sit-up instructions. The sit-up event measures core strength and endurance. Your partner will secure your feet to the floor. The starting position is the down position with your shoulder blades in contact with the floor. Your arms must remain crossed with your fingertips touching your collarbones throughout the entire event. To receive credit for repetition, you must start with your shoulder blades touching the floor, sit up until your elbows touch or pass your knees. Return to the down position with your shoulder blades touching the floor. This complete movement is considered one repetition. If you need to rest during the event, you must do so in the up position. Resting in the down position with your shoulder blades on the floor is not permitted. The following will result in a no repetition. Your fingertips come off your collarbones at any time. Your elbows do not touch or pass your knees. Your shoulder blades do not return to the floor during a repetition. You lift your hips off the ground or use excessive momentum to throw yourself upward. Or you rest in the down position longer than 2 seconds. For the sit-up event, you will have 1 minute to complete 30 sit-ups or more. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the entire event, as only repetitions meeting the standard will be counted. The third and final event is the 1.5 mile run. The course is ran on concrete pavement. To pass this event, applicants must complete the run in 14 minutes and 46 seconds or less. All events are completed consecutively in the following order: push-ups, sit-ups, and a 1.5 mile run. There will be a short rest period in between each event. If you are preparing for this assessment, it is recommended that you train in the same order to best simulate testing conditions and build an endurance for the entire test.